Hi there, thank you for your interest in this wonderful condo at North Windsor Condominiums. Let's go on inside and see what this looks like. So this unit has been remodeled. It was one of the original upgraded units. It has nice hardwood floors. Down there, John, you can see the hardwoods. Let our UPS truck go by, okay? And come on in here. It's got great lighting in here. Lots of lights, updated fixtures here. Got plenty of lighting in the kitchen. It's got granite countertops. All the stainless steel appliances stay. And what's really wonderful about this place, it's very open concept. When you look over here, it's really light and bright, very nice with a couple of built-ins. Come on over here. It's got the same coordinating, actually is it the exact same? I don't know, but it definitely coordinates the granite around the fireplace as well, gas fireplace. It's got a little built-in area over here, bookshelf. So they've done a nice job utilizing the space, the vaults, just giving it a little bit of personality. And it is super simple, main level living. So downstairs, the master is over here. Let's go take a look. That's kind of a big deal. The washer and dryer are in here, and sometimes we see these pretty crammed in. Oops, that's not what we wanted. But there actually is enough room up here to have some of your utility room type of things. And if you scooted these closer, which there's actually room to have hampers and everything. So it's a good size area for one of these type of washer dryer setups. The master is spacious, and it is has an AC unit in it. It's got a nice closet over here, nice walk-in closet with the California, where's my lighting in here? So the seller put in all of these wonderful organizers in here, which is actually great because you don't need anything more in the room, in your bedroom, except for your bed and a couple of things that you might like. But it's really a great closet. They did a good job. The bathroom, it's got wide doors. So if you needed a wheelchair access, you've got the ability to make that happen. And then you just got the handlebars if you needed that as well for easy access. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. We're right down, like 1 minute to walk down to the waterfront, and there's a little path to go right down and walk along the waterfront. McMinimans is down there, all kinds of places to eat, and just really such a lovely community. While we're here, let's take a quick look at the garage. It's an attached one-car garage. So the nice thing is that the condos are there's only 2 of these attached. And the walls are on the outside of the garage, so you're not going to get a lot of noise. And you're on the end unit here. This one just is the end unit. So it's pretty nice and quiet. I've been in here multiple times. It's never been loud, other than the UPS truck that just went by. Okay, let's head on up for a minute. This unit has all new carpet, all new flooring, freshly painted. I mean, it is completely move-in ready, so it's very, very easy. I will tell you, if you have a dog that's more than 40 pounds, this is not the home for you. So I've had a number of people who've been interested, but they have a larger dog, and I just, I don't know how strict they are, but I'd hate for somebody to move in and find that out the hard way. So this is a good sized bedroom. Again, nice lighting here. And then we just got, there's a lot of storage in this condo. And that's one thing that I really was impressed with. Besides the master downstairs, it's got a good sized linen closet for the 2 bedrooms that are upstairs. A nice sized bathroom up here. Come on in. So here we go. Pretty basic bath, nice and clean, usable, just what you want. And over here, we've got the other bedroom over here. The closet over here is deeper than your just traditional, just the shelving, but you actually can come in, it's not really a walk-in, we could call it that, but I mean, you can walk in, I guess, but it does have extra deep shelving to be able to really utilize this. You can again put a dresser or whatever you want in there. So, what else can I tell you? Upstairs, oh, all new blinds. I think these are the Hunter Douglas blinds. They're very nice, high quality. Everything they did really well. There's attic space up here, so that would be more storage if you needed it. And I honestly don't remember what is exactly back here. Some kind of storage or kind of, you know, pipes and stuff like that is what I'm gonna assume. And so if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that this virtual walkthrough helps you as you're making your home buying decisions. If you have any questions, just give me a call, 360-687-3131, or send me a message on social media, the Jaysiah group, and you'll find me. All right, have a great day.